What's up? It's your boy HondaBaby G out there, bitch. You feel me, boy? Yo, we out here. We out here. As you can see, we out here. There's a Civic right there. My baby right there. You feel me? Brody right here behind me, for real. No cap. We missing two. I don't know where the fuck they. Oh, Brody right there. He's walking up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, it's real lit out here. It's hella lit. Can't go wrong. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all what we just pulled up to. To be honest, I ain't even supposed to be here. You feel me? But we here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, Zay. Well, what's the name of this shit? Nah, the meat. Alright, well, we over here at Easy Pie Import, goddamn. Yup. We ain't really worried about the motorcycle for I don't even know why I showed that, but look at that motherfucking Civic, boy. That motherfucking Civic out here, boy. That team Civic out here looking beautiful, my boy. No cap. No kizzy. Though my bitch a little beat up on that side, but there's a Baby Yoda right here, for real. No cap. No kizzy. But yeah, stay tuned, man. Yeah. Yes, sir. We back. You said what we up to?
Y llegó tiki tiki tiki, lo que vende usted es tiki. Se le patilla toda por la tiki. Los pines de 200 redondos como los orejas Mickey. Van a correr los Jordan de Winiki. Bala muy sombrilla. Lo único que sale de tu boca cuando llevo la semilla. Mientras yo respire, que nadie respire. Te mires
Scraping, you see it moving. Yes, sir. Super gang. Oh, yeah. This fool, man. Oh yeah, my boy put up on a Yuta.
Fuck bad bitches on the weekend.
Oh, yeah, talk that shit. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yes, sir.
There's some good vlogging right here, boy.
Okay. Okay.
I didn't hear it. I did not hear it. I didn't hear it. No, I'm talking about him. I did not hear it.
Ooh, yes, sir. Woo! He good. He might as well go the rest of the way. He good. Yep. I don't hit my baby now. Right hand drive, baby. You good.
Nigga, we outside. Nigga, please.
Oh, you see, man. Well, this should go way further. We need to be way over there for real. This should go way over there. All the way around that corner to the left.
nigga. Niggas got the shits outside, cuz.
Talk your shit. Look at this boy right here. Somebody get him out of here. Imagine all the people living life in peace. Imagine. This is peace right here. Literally. Teggy alert.
A Teggy.
Teggy alert. Yes, sir.
Hey, yo, RP my nigga Tony, man. Teggy life.
Feel me?
Oh, nigga, this Honda too, bro.
Oh, yeah, he forced it.
His tense is fucking stupid. Oh, look at the Mazda. Oh, look at the Audi. All right.
I pick up the rock and I'm bobbing. I'm looking for someone to call me. Right now I got a situation. Never all been for cash. Big ring, champagne. My life is like a ball game.
Oh, yeah. All right, he turned up. Crazy, bro.
Niggas say get over. Nah, wait.
Okay.
Imagine all people really living in peace, though. That would never fucking happen.
Say it again. What happened?
Imagine people living in peace. It'll never fucking happen.
P. Y'all go ahead.
I love that car so much.
No cap. Oh, I'm about to take this part right here. Say that. Yup. Quick little walk through. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Excuse it for being kind of dark. I'm not about to put a flashlight in a whole bunch of people's faces. It's just as fire. Woo. Take a second real quick. Live out here. Prelude right here. Yes, sir. Oh, I done lost my niggas already. Ooh, that shit go crazy. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to see a lot, and it's making me disappointed. It's live. I wish I could really see this Nissan right here. Yeah, man. Oh my gosh, it's the Acura. Yes, sir. I'm out to tag bro on this one. Yes, sir. He went crazy. That's an Acura if y'all can't tell. Up, I see my niggas. Wow, what the fuck they at? Now you can see a little bit, but only the minimum of shit. This is fire, bro. No cap. Everybody vibing out here. It's peaceful. That's why I love car shows. That's why I love car family. That's why I love this shit in general. All these people out here, not a fight, nothing.
Yo soy un bellaco, solo que no una. Ella sabe que está buena y no lo presumen. Si yo fuera tu gato, subieron la foto los viernes y los lunes. Pa' que todo el mundo vea lo rica que tú estás, Contigo tengo que apretar. Y en la calle ando suelta, pero por ti me quito.
Got the bikes out. Live out here. Oh, I wish I could see the green on this bitch right here, boy. That shit fire. That shit fire. BMW. Yes, sir. Oh, I know who Beamer this. Oh, this Beamer truck right here. Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to walk up to Buddy real quick. Let him know I follow him real quick. No dick riding shit. That shit nice. That shit nice, boy. That shit clean. Yes, sir. Now it looks clear from where I'm at right now. That looks so much better. That's crazy. Not being weird, just want to say I'll follow you on Instagram.
What's your handle?
Huh?
What's your handle?
HondaBaby Gianni. Yes, sir.
Can I follow you back?
Huh?
Can I follow you back?
Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you. How you doing? Oh, it's not nice out here. Woo. Oh my God. God. Yeah. Look at the lights on this bit right here, boy.
Right there under the wheel well. Bro, no, they're fucking Nova. Look at it. What for that?
That's fire. The whole setup in the back. Fire. Fire. You said that's all I want?
Outside.
You feel me?
Brought the camera
You
outside.
feel me? Talk your
Y'all know
shit.
what I'm talking about. Let's look.
Yes, sir.
Look at the situation. Look, y'all think Cali,
You feel me?
Atlanta,
Uh-huh.
California, South Carolina, I think y'all the only ones.
Uh-huh.
We here too.
Uh-huh.
Alright?
Talk that
We
shit.
here too.
Putting off a mask.
And cars is lit.
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yes, sir. See? That's why I call family. Talk your shit.
Oh, come on.
So we outside.
How you know?
Man, I wish I could see all these cars right now. Like I said, I don't want to put on the flash. So out here, yeah, we don't do shit like that. Easy way to get shot, and they ain't the only ones with it on them. No count. No kizzy. I thought I knew who car this was. This shit fire. All my quality is about to look shitty. Nighttime already. Oh my god. I gotta get all the cars I can though. I gotta look. car car meet out here. Yes, sir. And as you see, they took the fucking ground. Oh my God. Look at the fitment. Look at the fitment. God. More shit over there. Oh. Everything out here. Everything fire. Of course, you got the feathers out here. We ain't worried about that though. That is fire. That is fire.
I like the. You like the other one better. That's why.
That shit's fire. Boy, listen. My boy. My boy. My boy. Woo. My boy.
Yo, let's see what ice cream we can get for $5.
My boy. Got the Mozzie out. Yes, sir. Woo. That shit fire. Back to back. What's this? Tezzy? Oh yeah, yes sir. Yes sir. You from Mass, you already know. That X sticker right there, you already know the vibe. You stamp. You ain't official if you ain't got it. This shit is fire. Gotta squeeze through these bitches right here. That shit fire. Can't really get shit because it's dark, man.
Make sure y'all see Brody. Follow Brody. Follow Brody.
That shit fire. How you feeling, my boy? How you feeling, my boy? My boy. Said my boy. It's a HondaBabies thing.
Wheels on that shit. It's the wheels, bro. It's the wheels, bro.
Yeah, I got Baby Yoda. This is 6. Yes, sir. Y'all can't even see the color on this car right here. It's purple. The light's really throwing it off for real. Let's see if I can get it from this angle. Yeah, that shit's purple, but yeah, you can't even see it. That's sick. That shit is sick.
Fire as hell.
You can kind of see it's purple.
Hold on. Cleaners all hell. Cleaners all hell.
Talk your shit. That's our Impact legacy. Oh yeah, this is the Honda SR too. I can't even see it. It's an EG. Actually, I didn't even know. Yeah, facts. Yeah, facts. Got a couple of plates.
Hold on, look at my man S2000 right here.
Yeah, facts. That's that S2K right here. We ain't talking no basketball, y'all see what's on the front. Oh, I thought that was just the fucking Decepticon logo.
Not even 2 weeks. This thing in hand, everything is ready.
It's dark out here, but y'all see the vibes, man. Y'all definitely see the vibes out here. Oh, it's time to go, y'all. Yes, sir. That bitch on bags. Y'all heard that shit? Said don't hit me now. Boys always gotta ruin some shit. But nah, mad people started being too loud though. We out. Out with the gang.
Shit be in the book. Fuck Instagram and go outside, you gotta tell the truth. I played it back and turn my youngins up, feel like my niggas shit. I'm in Miami, feeling homeless, blow my crank in the roof. 5-star sipping, eating lobster, bitch soup. Play with me, we hit the block, look like we dropping. In the records, I got a whole bag, just ask my nigga Deuce. In the streets, he taught me everything, I shouldn't have went to school. I'm a believer, or what you put in is what you get. Put in work so goddamn long, now I'm lit. So never choose the real niggas first, family over money. Kingpin dreams, trap house jumping. Got my paper right, ain't gonna tell me nothing. Grind all winter, fucking up the summer. Big time, might go get